Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two-way calendar sync in Pipedrive. This will help you keep your meetings and tasks updated between Pipedrive and your calendar so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. First, open your Pipedrive account and go to the top right corner. Click on your profile icon, then select Personal Preferences. Next, from the left-hand menu, click on Calendar Sync. Here, you can connect your calendar, like Google Calendar or Outlook. If you haven't connected one yet, click to add your account and sign in. Make sure to allow permissions so Pipedrive can sync your events. Once your calendar is connected, click Start Sync. Now, choose Two-Way Sync. This option means any event you create in Pipedrive will appear in your calendar, and any changes in your calendar will also show in Pipedrive. After that, select your main calendar if you have more than one. You can also choose what to sync and adjust privacy settings, like showing events as busy or private. Give it a moment to complete the setup. To make sure everything is working, create a test event in Pipedrive and check if it appears in your calendar. Then try creating an event in your calendar and see if it shows in Pipedrive. That's it. Now your calendar and Pipedrive are fully synced. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.